In today's digital landscape, growing a YouTube channel is more than a passion project. It's a gateway to real opportunities. Whether you want to build a brand, earn an income, or connect with a loyal audience, standing out on YouTube is critical. But let's face it, the road to YouTube success isn't easy. From content burnout to algorithm battles, creators face serious challenges. That's where AI, specifically ChatGPT, becomes a powerful tool in your content creation journey. In this video, we're diving deep into 7 game-changing ways ChatGPT can help you grow your YouTube channel, boost visibility, and save hours every week. Stick around to the end because we're also covering how ChatGPT can help with thumbnails, tags, titles, and even transcripts. First up, content ideas. Ever stared at a blank screen wondering what to post next? ChatGPT can analyze your niche, trending topics, and even audience behavior to suggest video topics that are timely and relevant. Just prompt it with, "Give me 10 video ideas for a fitness channel targeting beginners," and watch the magic happen. You'll instantly get a list of creative targeted concepts like 5-minute workouts, beginner-friendly nutrition tips, or even myth-busting videos that answer common questions. You can then refine those ideas further by asking for titles, hooks, or even suggested scripts. This not only keeps your content pipeline full, but ensures every video is something your audience actually wants to see. You're not just guessing anymore. You're creating based on data-driven insights and real audience interests. ChatGPT can even adapt recommendations to different formats: YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or long-form tutorials. And if you want variety, it can brainstorm seasonal content, challenges, or even collaborations with other creators in your space. The best part is, you can revisit this process anytime you need inspiration. Instead of wasting hours brainstorming, you'll always have a fresh set of ideas ready to go. Number 2, scripting your videos. If you're struggling to structure your message or hook viewers early on, ChatGPT can help. Give it a topic and ask for a script outline, or even a full script with a killer intro, a value-packed middle, and a strong call to action at the end. Instead of starting with a blank page, you'll have a framework you can adjust and personalize. For example, you can ask it to write in a conversational tone, add humor, or keep it professional depending on your brand. It can also generate multiple variations of your intro, so you can test what grabs attention fastest. Want a punchy one-liner? Done. Prefer a storytelling approach that builds curiosity? That's an option too. Beyond intros, ChatGPT can suggest transitions between segments, create bullet points for talking heads, or even write time-stamped outlines for longer tutorials. This helps you stay organized and confident while recording, so you spend less time editing later. Most importantly, it can help maintain your unique voice while keeping the narrative tight, which boosts your average view duration, one of the most important metrics for growth and higher rankings on platforms like YouTube. Next up, titles and descriptions. These aren't just SEO tools, they're the first impression your video makes. A great title can be the difference between someone clicking your video or scrolling past it. ChatGPT can generate high CTR titles that spark emotion, curiosity, or urgency, while still embedding key phrases for better discoverability. For example, you can prompt it with, "Give me 5 title options for a video about losing belly fat fast." You'll get variations ranging from straightforward, benefit-driven titles to more curiosity-based ones that tease the results. But it doesn't stop at titles. Descriptions are equally important for both viewers and the algorithm. A well-crafted description not only tells YouTube what your video is about, but also gives viewers context, resources, and reasons to stay engaged. With ChatGPT, you can instantly generate SEO-rich descriptions that include keywords naturally while still sounding human and relatable. You can even ask it to add timestamps, summarize key takeaways, or suggest links and calls to action that encourage subscriptions or website visits. Easy, quick, and effective. This approach saves you time, strengthens your metadata, and maximizes your chances of reaching the right audience. Now let's talk thumbnails and tags. While ChatGPT can't physically design your thumbnails, it can give you detailed suggestions for what to include to maximize impact. You can ask, "Rate these 3 thumbnail ideas and tell me which is most clickable and why," and it will break down the strengths and weaknesses of each concept. For example, it might suggest using bold text with a contrasting background, emphasizing a close-up facial expression, or highlighting a key visual symbol that instantly communicates your topic. You can even ask it to generate fresh thumbnail ideas from scratch, based on your title and audience preferences. That way, you're not just guessing, you're using a data-informed approach to design visuals that grab attention. For tags, ChatGPT makes the process quick and precise. Just prompt, "Give me relevant tags for a video about passive income streams," and it will return a mix of broad keywords for visibility, plus niche tags that target specific search queries. This combination helps you rank in both high competition and long-tail searches, giving your video the best chance to be discovered. Together, smarter thumbnails and optimized tags can significantly boost your click-through rate and overall reach. Fifth, audience feedback. One of the most valuable growth tools is understanding exactly what your viewers think. ChatGPT can analyze viewer comments to spot trends in sentiment or recurring requests. Simply copy and paste a batch of comments and prompt it with, "Analyze these comments and tell me what viewers liked or want to see more of." Within seconds, you'll see patterns you might have missed, like multiple people asking for shorter workouts or repeated praise for your editing style. You can also use it to categorize feedback into strengths, weaknesses, and suggestions, giving you a clear roadmap for improvement. For example, if your audience loves your energy but wants more in-depth tutorials, you'll know exactly how to adjust your next video. It can even highlight specific keywords viewers use, helping you mirror their language in future titles and scripts for stronger connection. This process saves you hours of manual reading while ensuring you stay in tune with your community. And when viewers notice you're actually responding to their feedback, it builds loyalty and encourages even more engagement. Over time, this creates a feedback loop where your audience guides your content and your content keeps your audience coming back. Sixth, let ChatGPT help you build a consistent posting schedule. Consistency is one of the biggest factors in growing on YouTube, and it's something the algorithm rewards. Ask it, "What are the best times to post YouTube videos for a gaming channel in the US?" And it will break down recommendations based on typical viewer behavior. You can get suggestions for specific days, time windows, and even frequency, like whether you should upload twice a week or stick to shorter daily content. But it doesn't stop there. ChatGPT can also generate a full content calendar. Just tell it how many videos you want to post in a month, and it can organize topics, formats, and upload dates into a structured plan. For creators juggling multiple platforms, you can even ask for cross-platform posting schedules, so your YouTube uploads align with TikTok clips, Instagram Reels, or community posts. This takes the guesswork out of planning and helps you avoid the dreaded burnout of posting randomly. By keeping your schedule realistic and consistent, you not only train the algorithm, but also train your audience to expect your content at specific times, building anticipation and stronger viewer habits. Finally, performance metrics. Paste your YouTube analytics into ChatGPT and ask, "What trends do you see in my channel performance?" Or, "How can I improve viewer retention based on these stats?" It gives actionable insights you can use immediately to optimize your strategy. Bonus time. ChatGPT can also help you proofread and polish video transcripts for better SEO, generate effective hashtags, draft engaging pinned comments, create community polls. Each of these small actions helps you build deeper viewer engagement and increase visibility. Let's recap. We covered 7 powerful ways ChatGPT can help: generate content ideas, write video scripts, optimize titles and descriptions, design better thumbnails and tags, analyze comments, build a posting schedule, understand analytics, plus extra tips for transcripts, hashtags, and community engagement. If you're serious about growing your channel and saving time, this tool is a game changer. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more AI-powered YouTube tips, and drop a comment with your favorite ChatGPT hack. Want to see a tutorial on any of these tips? Let us know below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.